Wuxi Jinhongying Industrial Automation Company Limited was founded in Wuxi, Jiangsu, China in 2011. As a high-tech enterprise, we specialized in research and development, production and sales of industrial robot, also providing professional integrated automation solutions. JHY offers welding, handling, robot workstation, and welding positioner. Our robots are widely used for these markets like automotive parts, steel structure, furniture, construction machinery, and motor car. With almost 10 years development, a professional work team with strong technical abilities gathered. We designed more than 20 kinds of JHY industrial robots and has provided hundreds of solutions for factories. We passed ISO 9001 certification, obtained more than 30 technical patents. Now, JHY has becoming one of the leading manufacturer of industrial robot in China. To offer high-quality robot for our customers, JHY Robot adopt all Chinese leading brands for core components like servo motor and reducer. Die casting technology was used for robot body to ensure high density. Control system is easy to operate. Customers just need to do simple maintenance. We participated in many exhibitions every year all over the world. By 2020, JHY Robots has been exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, etc. We not only sell robots, but also offer customs, strong technical support, and complete after-sale service. Our mission is make every factory enabled to use good robot. Choose JHY. Choose a reliable supplier.